Hello everyone. Our today's topic is nomenclature of spiroheterocyclic compounds. So let us discuss what are spiro compounds. The spiro compounds are those compounds in which two rings are fused at one common point, and this common point is known as spiroatom, and it has quaternary nature. Quaternary nature. It means it has tetrahedral geometry. So in this figure you can see that atom number 5 is a spiro atom, and it is tetrahedral in geometry. So in this compound two rings are fused at one common point, which is carbon number 5, which this is known as spiroatom. So rules for the nomenclature of spiroheterocyclic compounds. The total number of atom of the compound is indicated by the corresponding name of the normal alkane. So in this compound, there are the total number of atoms present are 10, because there are one is spiroatom, and besides this 4 other atoms are present in smaller ring, and 5 other atoms are present in larger ring. So there are total number of atoms are present. Number of atoms that are present in this compound is 10. So this will be decane. So the total number of atoms of the compound is indicated by the corresponding name of the normal alkane. यहाँ टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम है वो 10 है, इसलिए ये डेकेन हुई. द नंबर ऑफ एटम ऑफ ईच रिंग आर डिजाइनेटेड बाय अरेबिक नंबर. सो जिसमें जो ईच रिंग विल बी असाइंड all the atoms of each ring will assigned Arabic numbers, and each number is separated by so यहाँ जो टोटल जो नंबर ऑफ एटम है प्रेजेंट इन द रिंग besides spiroatoms will be denoted in square brackets, and these numbers are written in bracket in increasing order. So first of all we will write the atom present in smaller ring, and then the atoms present in larger ring. So these numbers are written in bracket in increasing order. So इनको हम यहाँ पर increasing order में लिखेंगे. This bracket with Arabic number is placed between spiro prefix and name of hydrocarbon. जो ये ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे वो स्पायरो और नेम ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन के इन बिटवीन रहेगा, उनके बीच में रहेगा. एंड द हेटेरो एटम इज डिजाइनेटेड बाय prefix as oxa, aza, thia for oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur respectively. So in this compound nitrogen is heteroatom which is present at location number 6. So the name of prefix for nitrogen is aza, and it is at 6th position. So the name of this compound will be 6-aza spiro, 4 full stop 5 decane. So these prefixes are placed with their position to the name of spiro hydrocarbon. So these are the rules for the nomenclature of the spiroheterocyclic compounds. And how numberings can be done in these compounds. So first rule, if two rings are of different size, then the numbering start from the ring atom of smaller ring attached to spiro atom. यहाँ जैसे इस एग्जाम्पल में one is smaller ring and other is larger ring. So numbering will start with this from the ring atom of smaller ring attached to spiro atom. तो यहाँ पर जो स्मॉलर रिंग की तरफ नंबरिंग करेंगे और उस कार्बन से या उस एटम से करेंगे जो स्पायरो एटम से अटैच्ड है। तो यहाँ स्मॉलर रिंग में जो 1 नंबर कार्बन है वो स्पायरो एटम से जुड़ा हुआ है, 1 नंबर एटम है वो, तो यहाँ 1 नंबर लगा, फिर 2, फिर 3, फिर 4 एंड द नंबरिंग प्रोसीड फर्स्ट अराउंड द स्मॉलर रिंग देन अराउंड द लार्जर रिंग वाया स्पायरो एटम। तो यहाँ जो नंबरिंग है वो स्मॉलर रिंग से स्टार्ट होगी, स्मॉलर रिंग के उस एटम से स्टार्ट होगी जो स्पायरो एटम से जुड़ा हुआ है, और लार्जर रिंग स्मॉलर रिंग की जब नंबरिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगी तो स्मॉलर रिंग में स्पायरो एटम भी आएगा, उसके पश्चात लार्जर रिंग की हम नंबरिंग करेंगे। द हेटेरो एटम इज लोकेटेड बाई लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर। सो हमारी कोशिश ये रहनी चाहिए कि हेटेरो एटम को लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर मिले। यदि यहाँ देखते हैं इस कंपाउंड में तो स्मॉलर रिंग में हेटेरो एटम नहीं है, तो सबसे पहले तो हम स्मॉलर रिंग की नंबरिंग करेंगे, और लेकिन लार्जर उसके बाद में लार्जर रिंग की नंबरिंग करेंगे। तो लार्जर रिंग की जब हम करेंगे उसमें हेटेरो एटम मौजूद है, तो हम उस साइड से उस डायरेक्शन में नंबरिंग करेंगे जिधर हेटेरो एटम को लोवेस्ट नंबर पॉसिबल नंबर मिले। If one ring contains different heteroatom, the preferential numbering is decided according to the preferential order of heteroatom. And you know that what is the preferential order of heteroatoms? Oxygen, after that sulfur, after that selenium, and after that tellurium, then nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. So this is the preferential order of heteroatoms. So in this compound सबसे पहले हम स्मॉलर रिंग की नंबरिंग करेंगे, उसके बाद में लार्जर रिंग की नंबरिंग होगी, और लार्जर रिंग की नंबरिंग होगी तो उस डायरेक्शन से करेंगे जिधर जो प्रेफरेंशियल हेटेरोएटम पहले आता है। तो यहाँ ऑक्सीजन है तो इधर से हम नंबरिंग करेंगे 6, 7, 8, 9 और 10। सल्फर को 10 नंबर मिलेगा, ऑक्सीजन को 6, और इसका हम नाम देना चाहें तो 6 पर है वो ओक्सा है, ये ऑक्सो नहीं है, ये ओक्सा करना है। और उसके बाद 10 पर थाया है सल्फर का, उसके बाद में स्पायरो लिखेंगे, स्पायरो के बाद में ब्रैकेट आएगा, और ब्रैकेट में हम जो ये स्पायरो एटम के अलावा जो रिंग में कितने कितने एटम प्रेजेंट है वो आएगा। तो स्मॉलर रिंग वो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे तो सबसे पहले स्मॉलर रिंग के एटम आएंगे, तो वो 4 है, और लार्जर में 5 है, 4 फुल स्टॉप 5, फिर ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट बंद होगा, और टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट देर आर 10 टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन दिस कंपाउंड, सो this will be decane. So the name of this compound will be 6-oxa 10-thia spiro 4,5 decane. Next rule is if both ring of same size, the heteroatom containing ring is preferred over the carboxylic ring of the same size. Here you can see that there are 2 rings. One ring contains heteroatom and other ring does not contain heteroatom. So the numbering start with the ring and the size and here the point is that the size of both rings are same. So the numbering will start with the ring containing heteroatom. So in this compound the number of heteroatom is the position of heteroatom is 1 and the heteroatom is nitrogen and the prefix for nitrogen is aza, so 1 aza, and after that spiro and square bracket. So there are 5 atoms present in each ring in addition to spiroatom. So 5.5 in square bracket, and there are there are 11 number of atoms present in this compound. So the name of this compound will be undecane. So 1 is a spiro, 5 full stop 5 in square bracket and undecane. If both rings have same size and containing different heteroatom, the preference is given to the ring which contains preferential heteroatom. So in this compound, one heteroatom is oxygen and other heteroatom is sulfur, and these heteroatoms are present in different rings, and both rings have same number of atoms. So the numbering will start with preferential heteroatom, that is it will start from the ring containing oxygen. You know that oxygen is given priority over sulfur. So one heteroatom is oxygen and other heteroatom is sulfur, and the prefix for oxygen is oxa, and oxygen is present in on location 1. So 1x oxa, and sulfur is present on 7th position. So 1 oxa 7th aya, and after that spiro will be written, and square bracket, and both rings contains 5 atoms in addition to spiroatoms. So in square bracket 5 full stop 5, and total number of atoms are 11, so it will be undecane. If there is choice between multiple bond and the heteroatom, the numbering remains the same, but the direction around the ring is done in such a way that the double bond is located as lowest locant. Multiple bond, if there is choice between multiple bond and heteroatom, so then the numbering, so heteroatom will be given preference. So numbering will start with oxygen, and 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6 number at spiroatom, and after that double bond will be given priority. So this double bond will be at 7th position. So the name of this compound will be 1-oxa spiro 5.5, and in square bracket undec for in, sorry, by mistake this is misprint, ene. After 4 there it will be ene, so correct it, ene. If two parts of heterocyclic are same, then bi is cited after spiro. Here you can see that the two equal parts that are these heterocycles are attached with a spiroatom. So after spiro, bi will be written here, bi will be cited. So the spiroatom gives in this part the numbering will be as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Breach head carbon will not be given number in this fused ringed compound, and in other part the numbering will be given as 1 days 2 days 3 days 4 days 5 days 6 days and 7 days. And so 3 and 3 days spiro bi, The here is point to be noted that the bi is written after Spiro, and this compound is made of the two units. So one unit is two similar units. So one unit is known as 3H indole. So this compound, the name of this compound will be 3,3-days Spiro by 3H indole. Thank you so much. You have understood what I have taught. If you have any difficulty, you may written in chat box. Thank you.